Hello everyone. In this video we covered the lab number 5. So let's start to solve. So here is the lab number 5, build a database server. Now workbench is open. So in this lab we learn about the build your database server and interact with your DB means database using an app. So this all the scenario and all the task what we perform all are the mentioned here, so just read it. So let's start to solve the lab. So click on start lab. Now wait for few minutes. This AWS when changes its color into the green, that time our lab is start. So wait for few minutes. Now this AWS changes its color into the green, that's mean our lab is start. So click on AWS. So AWS console is now open. So task number 1 is create a security group for the RDS database instance. So RDS means relational database services. So in this services type VPC, click on VPC. So now here in a navigation pane you search a security group. So where is the security group? Here. So click on security group. Now click on create security group. Now name of the security group. So go back to the console. Workbench and the task number 1 is here. So from this copy this name, database security group, copy, go back to the console, just paste. Now description, go back to the workbench, copy this description, back, paste it. Now VPC, so choose lab VPC. So here now click on add rule. Now type, so select the type MySQL. MySQL Aurora, and then here you see the source. So from the source check the custom, so it is by default selected custom. Now here type SG, and from this select a web security group. Now just click on create security group. So here is no need to do anything, so just delete it. Click on create security group. Now the security group is created successfully. So here we complete the task number 1. Now the task number 2, create a database subnet group. So for that, search here RDS relational database service. So click on this. Now from this navigation pane, choose subnet group. So where is the subnet group? Here, subnet group. So just click on it, and now here create database subnet group. Now name. So go back to the workbench, and where is the task number 2? Here, and here the name. Just copy the name. Back, paste. Now description. Go back, copy the description, database subnet group. Paste. VPC. Choose lab VPC, mention here. Go back, choose lab VPC. Then next, add a subnet. So from this availability zone, select US East 1A and US East 1B, these two. Now this subnet. So from this subnet, choose 10.0.0.24, 10.0.1.24 and 10.0.3.0.24, means these two. Please check these two you select correctly or not IP addresses, and then scroll down. Now just click on create. So here we successfully complete the task number 2, and now task number 3, create an Amazon RDS database instance. So for that, in the navigation pane, choose the database. Now create database here, click on it. Now select MySQL under engine options. So in engine option, choose MySQL, this. Then under template, where it is here, template, choose dev test, this dev/test. Now availability and durability. So from this, choose multiple AZ DB instance, this second one. Now setting. So from this setting, DB instance identifier this. So just change this. We go back here workbench and just quickly copy all these requirements. So this identifier is labdb. Copy, go back. Next is master username main. Go back, master username here. Yes. Now master password. Select this as self-managed and then the option show master password and confirm password. So go back here and copy lab password. Here confirm master password. So go back. Under DB instance class, now here DB instance class, from this select a brush table class, this brush table class. Now under storage type, general purpose SSD. So select any one and the storage is 20. Now connectivity. So connectivity virtual private cloud, VPC, this lab VPC, lab VPC. Existing VPC security group. So from this select a choose GB security group and this selector this default. Now monitoring. Now here in monitoring, expand this additional configuration. Uncheck this enable enhance the monitoring. And the additional configuration, so this name is lab. Now this uncheck the enable automatic backups and check enable encryption. This choose create database. Click on create database. Now choose this lab db. Here we see the status this creating. So refresh the page 2-3 times. So it takes few minutes or say approximately 4 to 5 minutes to change the status. Now you see here for this lab db, first the status show the creating, now it shows the modifying, but still it not be available for us. And this modify, when this modify is active, that time our database is created properly. So wait for few minutes. Now here we see this database is available. Now this green signal is shows. So for that, refresh the page again and again 8 to 10 times, so it quickly showed this green signal. Now here we completed the task number 3. Now we perform the task number 4. Interact with your database. Now click on this lab db. Status is available is shown. So go back to the workbench, and now here the instruction is written. Where is this task number 4? Here. So click on this IAWS details here. Inside of the end lab, this IAWS details, click on it. And now choose web server IP address. Here is the web server, we see. So just copy this IP address, copy, open a new tab and paste it. Now go back to the workbench. Here we see DC2 instance. Now choose RDS link. So now from this page, choose this RDS. So this endpoint, choose from here. From the console. So here we see this end point. So just copy this and go back to the new tab and paste here. Now database is lab, LAB lab. Username main, MAIN. Password lab password, LAB/PASSWORD. Lab password. Please check the password. Now click on the submit. This address book is open for us. This is the RDS database stored information. Here we complete all the task. Here we see edit, remove and all. Don't disturb anything. Just go back here and we see here after this 38 number step we complete our lab. So just click on submit button. So submit. Yes. Now we see how much grade we earn. So here we see we got 20 out of 20. So I hope all you get this 20 out of 20. Now if any query or any doubt regarding the lab, then let me know in the comment box. So today we stop here. Now we see next lab in the next video. Please don't forget to end the lab. So click on the end lab. Yes. So now here our lab is end. Now we stop here. Thank you.